So, I'm going to make a video today on what to do if you hit one of your retaining clips. So there's a hose that goes on this knob right here, and I had bought some of those needle nose pliers, and I accidentally broke my retaining clip. So, here, I'll take this out. This is so anyway, so this is the other end of your canister tube that retaining clip that I broke was in. This is the retaining clip that was broken in it. And so anyways, so I looked up how much it would cost to get a new retaining clip, and they don't sell those retaining clips. And so anyway, so I was like, okay, well, let's look it up. And so I looked it up on Mazda. This is for a Mazda 3, by the way. We have a 2007, and we had to change out the fuel pump. That's the new fuel pump in there already. And anyways, so I had to get a new hose in order to get those clips. And that hose right there, all 16 inches of it or whatever it is, was $142, man. My jaw dropped. I was like, what the frick? So anyways, so I had bought these at AutoZone. It's in this package right here. It's for GM. And so let me focus on that a little bit better. So it's the assortment clip, or the retaining clip assortment, with a 5/8 and a 3/4. So you only need the 5/8 one. That's what this blue one is. So this 3/4 inch one is too big. So anyway, so we don't need that. So, but it's gonna look like this. I already clipped this other one. So anyways, if you look at this, oh, well, don't look at this one, I guess. But this one already has the sides cleared out, and the catching clips here on the side are still just as wide as this one. So anyways, I had to jimmy rig this one, and I had to fur the sides down because in this broken one, the sides are more straight than flat, and the clips on the sides aren't as wide as these ones are. Like this one was just as wide. So anyway, so what I did was I got some tin snips, and this is gonna suck because I don't have a nice phone, so I got to use my SLR camera. So I just got some tin snips and the 5/8 clip, and it bends. So it's nice because you're gonna want to like push it down, and then stick your tin snips in there and snip off. Like I marked it, you can see like my black Sharpie marks on the side clip. But anyways, yeah, so you take your tin snips, clip that, and then I also had a sharp utility knife. And when you use your utility knife, I would highly recommend using cut gloves because of how close your hand is, or use some needle nose pliers to hold that clip. That's probably a better idea, because yeah, my wife yelled at me for a while on that one. So anyways, so let's get this clip off. I hate these damn clips, like they are a pain in the butt. So one second, let me get them off. Okay, so anyway, so I got that retaining clip on that, and I decided to put it on the top one instead of the bottom one because it's easier for demonstration purposes. And then I'll just put this one that was on the top on the bottom. So when I put my gas tank together, but there you go. Like, fits just on, clips on just fine. Just make sure that you kept your O-rings and everything that were in here intact, so that way it keeps it sealed. And then you just have to put your gas tank back in. And I also went to Walmart and bought some of these pliers, and then I grinded the crap out of them to help me with these type of clips, so that way I could squeeze them and then pull them out. But anyways, these things are $2 at Walmart if you have access to a grinder and can grind them down to custom to your needs. Figured it was pretty sweet for $2. So anyways, that's my hack with these, so you don't have to buy a new evaporator hose and save yourself probably $140. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.